Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're looking at Microsoft's free Office suite, Office Online. Our mission is to figure out what you actually get and, more importantly, what you don't compared to the paid Microsoft 365. So, the initial pitch from Microsoft is really appealing.
Oh, absolutely.
You get free browser access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote just by signing in with a Microsoft account. It sounds like basic productivity is finally free.
And, for the most part, that promise holds up.
Yeah.
For basic use, at least.
Okay.
The free offering is strictly browser-based. You get 5 gigabytes of OneDrive storage and the Outlook webmail.
Right.
And what's interesting is how the interface looks almost identical to the desktop versions.
Hmm.
I mean, if you're just writing an essay or managing a household budget, it works perfectly fine, even real-time collaboration.
So if it looks the same and it handles all the basic tasks, I have to ask, where does it start hitting the walls? What are the specific features that make people actually switch?
That's the key question, and that's where Microsoft really defines this as elite version.
Hmm.
You hit some pretty critical limitations, and they seem very strategically placed.
Like what?
First thing, the most immediate one is connectivity.
Hmm.
You must have a constant internet connection. There's absolutely no offline access.
Yeah, well, offline access at all. That's brutal for anyone who travels or just has spotty Wi-Fi at home.
Exactly. It's basically a tether. And the second thing is the lack of professional tools.
Okay.
If you rely on any kind of serious automation, forget it. You can't run mail merge or any heavy-duty macros. Those are just gone.
And what about within the apps themselves?
Oh, yeah. The deficiencies are everywhere once you look. In
Right.
Word, for example, there's no format painter.
Wow, I use that all the time.
Right. You also can't edit document styles or create complex diagrams. And in Excel, you're missing advanced chart types and a lot of the critical pivot table features that you'd need for any real data analysis.
And some apps are just missing entirely.
Completely. If you need Access or Publisher, there are no web versions for those at all.
So that missing functionality is the key, isn't it? What does this deliberate stripping down of features reveal about Microsoft's, their whole business strategy?
It perfectly illustrates what the sources call the expectation problem.
The expectation problem.
Yeah. Office Online is designed to get you invested in the ecosystem, using that 5 gigs of free storage, but it's just incomplete enough to push you toward paying. They want you to feel the friction.
So they give you a taste.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, look at the numbers. The free version gives you 5 gigabytes.
Yep.
The paid Microsoft 365 Personal, which is about $7 a month,
Right.
that gives you the full desktop apps, offline access, advanced AI tools, and this is the big 1 terabyte of storage.
A whole terabyte. That's a huge jump.
It is. The free version does save a casual user maybe $70 to $100 a year. But the thing is, if you spend just 1 week getting your professional life into that 5 gig OneDrive space, you're already locked in. You'll justify paying to remove the pain points.
So what does this all mean for you, the listener? It's not really a scam, but it does create this clear, almost engineered pressure to upgrade.
Absolutely. The free access is great for simple things, but its limitations are completely strategic. I mean, it's free in the same way hotel Wi-Fi is free.
How so?
It technically works,
Yeah.
but it's limited. And it's really there to encourage you to upgrade to the premium service. Your data, your commitment, it's already captured in their system.
That really reframes the whole thing. And given that the 5 gigabyte storage limit is so often that first critical bottleneck, it leaves us with a final thought to chew on. How many other seemingly generous free tools are actually just relying on your own data, on your investment in their storage, to eventually monetize you as their most active user?